Okay, so we're going to be jumping right into this wig review. My name is Me K. My friends and family call me Key, so of course you can go ahead and call me Key. So we are going to be doing a review on this wig today. So this wig is going to be the Sensationnel Shear Muse Empress lace wig. It is the lace front edge wig. The style is CHANA. The color that I have is Mermaid Electric Blue. The color that the model is wearing on the pamphlet is going to be the Mermaid Sugar Plum Fairy. So this wig, it does have an ear-to-ear lace, and it does come with baby hairs, and it does have a eye part. So it is supposed to be a salon inspired cut and color wig, and it is very lightweight. With this wig, you do get two combs that are going to be by the part, one comb in the back, and you do get adjustable straps. So this wig is more on like it says mermaid hair, so it's more along the lines of color. You're not going to be able to get well, I don't think you'll be able to get a 1B. I don't see that on the pamphlet. Let me see if it's on the back. You might be able to get this in a 1B, but they do have more of a variety of colors with this wig. It does say that it is ocean inspired colors like corals, pastels, and pearls. So I did go ahead and get the Mermaid Electric Blue. The lace on this wig is going to be a brown. So really with this wig, I just went ahead and cut off the lace and used the baby hairs that it came with to go ahead and lay those down. Within the part, I didn't pluck the part. I just went ahead and applied some concealer, and then I did use some powder on top, which was my Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder. I did use 362 in the color Truffle, and then the concealer I used was just Wet n Wild concealer, and I want to say it is medium / deep tan concealer, and basically brushed out the wig, and that is that on this. Okay, so let's get into this wig. So starting out, the wig, the way the hair flows is like so freaking gorgeous. Like I should have got this in a 1B. Like the way it flows is just so freaking gorgeous. I love it. So it does come with baby hairs, but it doesn't come with a pre-plucked hairline, so it doesn't look bad if you add like a baby hair. If you didn't have nothing there, it would kind of look a little bit bad. And with this being a color unit, I usually like my units to not have a baby hair whatsoever, but I did just apply just so it kind of look a little bit nice, whatever. If I had a 1B, I would just pull the hair back, and I'll have actually my baby hairs out so that it will look more natural. But I really like how this unit looks. The color is very, very pretty. I was thinking I'd probably add like a dark root upon this wig. I might do like a dark root and then pull my edges out or something like that, just so I can get this kind of mesh and go together. It doesn't look bad, but I was thinking maybe I'll just do a dark root on it. I'm not pretty sure though. But this hair, the wig, it is big head friendly. I get shedding every now and then, but it's not like a lot. Tangling, I really don't get a lot of tangling because I'm not running my hands through it. I guess eventually if you're running your hands through it, it is going to tangle because it is a long unit. So it does go about probably 24 inches. The hair is not thick at all. It's actually thin, but the way it is curled, like this is all the hair, but the way it is curled, it kind of looks like it's thick and gives a lot of volume. So this is a nice wig. It's not heavy whatsoever. But yeah, so I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.